In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your domain name with WordPress. Now, integrating your domain is an essential step to take if you're looking to give your website a more professional appearance. Not only does it help in building your brand, but it also makes it easier for visitors to find you online. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're there, find the Upgrades section on the left-hand side. Clicking on Upgrades will reveal various options. Look for Domains. This is where you'll manage all domain-related tasks and settings. Next, we want to add the domain that you already own. So, click on Add a Domain. Now, WordPress is designed to be user-friendly, so it will guide you through this process. Follow the on-screen instructions and select Use a Domain I Own. Remember, this option is specifically for those who have purchased a domain through another provider but want to utilize it within WordPress. After choosing Use a Domain I Own, you'll see an option to map your domain. Domain mapping is a crucial step because it links your existing domain to your WordPress account, essentially pointing your domain's visitors to your WordPress site. Click on Map Your Domain to proceed. Once you've initiated the domain mapping, you'll need to update your DNS records, which stands for Domain Name System. The DNS records tell the internet where to find your website. Now don't worry, this sounds more complicated than it actually is. When prompted, you should log in to your domain registrar's site, the place where you originally bought your domain. Here, you'll update your DNS settings. Look for a section called DNS or Name Servers. Here, you're going to replace the existing name server values with the ones provided by WordPress. These new values are necessary for routing your domain traffic correctly to WordPress. If your domain provider offers a search function or an FAQ guide, they often have specific instructions for updating DNS settings for WordPress, which can be really helpful. And there you have it. A few simple steps to link your domain name to your WordPress site. Don't be discouraged if it takes some time for these changes to propagate globally. It might take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to fully update and reflect online. Once everything is set and the changes take effect, you'll have seamlessly integrated your domain with WordPress, and your visitors will be able to access your site using your new domain name. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for bridging the gap between your domain and your WordPress site. If you've got any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask for additional assistance.